Welcome to Fort in India series of Happy Picks Tourism. India's rich history through its stunning forts. If you talk about the most prominent remnants of Indian history, the first thing that comes in mind are its majestic forts. Indulged into several historical tales, the forts of India are the live witness of the several royal legends of India. You can discover many glorious aspects of the rich past of India through still existing magnificent forts. No wonder these forts tell the story of our country's glorious past and contributes to its popularity on the tourist map. Let's explore another gem from South India. Golconda Fort is located in the western part of Hyderabad city and is about 9 km from the Hussain Sagar Lake. The outer fort occupies an area of 3 square kilometers, which is 4.8 kilometers in length. Golconda Fort is undoubtedly one of most magnificent fortress complexes in India. The history of Golconda Fort goes back to early 18th century, when it was ruled by the Kakatiyas, followed by Qutub Shahi kings, who ruled the region in 6th and 7th century. It was originally known as Mankal and built on a hilltop in the year 1143. It was originally a mud fort under the reign of Raj of Warangal. Golconda was the principal capital of the Qutub Shahi kings. Golconda Fort is listed as an archaeological treasure on the official list of monuments prepared by the Archaeological Survey of India under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act. Golconda consists of 4 distinct forts with a 10 km long outer wall with 87 semicircular bastions, 8 gateways, and 4 drawbridges, with a number of royal apartments and halls, temples, mosques, magazines, stables, etc. inside. Jagdamba Temple, located next to Ibrahim Mosque and the King's Palace, is visited by lakhs of devotees during Bonalu festival every year. The 2 individual pavilions on the outer side of Golconda are built on a point which is quite rocky. The Kala Mandir is also located in the fort. The other buildings found inside the fort are Habshi Kamans, Abyssian Arches, Ashlah Khana, Taramti Mosque, Ramadas Bandikhana, Camel Stable, Private Chambers, Kilwat, Mortuary Bath, Nagina Bagh, Ramsasas Kotha, Darbar Hall, Ambar Khana, etc. The Golconda Fort used to have a vault where the famous Koh-i-Noor and Hope diamonds were once stored along with other diamonds. India had the only known diamond mines in the world. Golconda was the market city of the diamond trade, and gems sold there came from a number of mines. The fortress city within the walls was famous for diamond trade. It is preferable to visit the Golconda Fort from months of September to March. At present, the Golconda Fort constitutes a complex layout of palaces, mosques and pavilion, all of which unfortunately are in ruins now. Today, even after almost 8 years, the fort still stands as one of Hyderabad's greatest architectural wonders. The fort gains an impressive place among the architectural marvels and heritage structures of India, and is a testimony to Hyderabad's glorious past. A Hyderabad tour is incomplete without a visit to this fort. Hope you found this information useful. We will come back soon with new video and information. Do like, share and subscribe to our videos. Stay safe and stay happy.